Evasive maneuvers allow sudden trajectory changes, avoiding tracking by targeting systems or nearby threats. This type of maneuvers test the limits of the aircraft envelope at extreme attitudes and accelerations. Evasive maneuvers are a challenge for trained fighter pilots and for guidance navigation and control systems. Evasive actions may be commanded through automatic actions on the flight plan or from the GCS. This functionality shows our commitment with our target drones clients and the success of their missions.